Here we are this morning. Look at this. This is an original Pope motorcycle from like the 20s. This thing is awesome. Look at that kickstart lever. Alright. 74 cubic inches. Look at what's the serial number. 42T410 from the 27T. This one is a Chief. This one is an Indian Scout right here. Look at that, all original. Look at that seat. Kickstart lever, look at that. Look at the carburetor. But this one over here. Look at this one. This one is a Thor. These ones are so rare. These ones are so rare. And this is the only one I've ever seen up close. I've only seen pictures of this one. Right, look at that. Shift lever, had 3 gears. Right. They were made for bicycles. They were bicycles originally. Look at the frame. This one really looks like a Schwinn. Look at the flanges and stuff. An Indian Gauss neck. Look at this one. This one right here is an Indian. Right, this is a Chief right here. This is a 74 cubic inch. Look at the seat. It's got all the knobs and the tanks. This one here, the distributor was this one. Huh? 50 grand for that door. This is how these ones work. This was the Sparky bench. The other one was the throttle, right? And this was the foot clutch. They pushed the clutch. They shifted the gears. The shifter was on the other side. It was on the tank, right? And they turned the advance on the distributor throttle, right? And then the gas at the same time. Look at that one. There's an Excelsior behind it. 1919, right? Army model, 74 cubic inches, right? Man, this shop is awesome. We got a cutaway of a Harley single motor, right? There's a big old ass gas pump right there. Man, this place is awesome, right? Got all kinds of trinkets and stuff in the gas tank. Wait, here's a US model. This is a US Army. This is a Harley. It's a 45 flathead. Look at that one. That was one of the messenger bikes. Ah, they got a killer ass chopper in there. Dude, this chop is cool. Motorcycles for sale, 1941. Dispatch, TAW 50 grand, a 47 Chief 30, 39. Right, motorcycle chopper 25, a 2004 Carolina 15, a 2000 Chief 10,750. They got a 65 FL8TC Classic for 6,500. Are you kidding me? A 66 chassis, just a frame for 5 grand. Buy and invest in Ride American, established 1972. These guys don't even have a website. Look at that, stay golden together. We've taken the pledge to reduce our energy use. But this is the one right here, Pope. This thing is fucking badass. Look at that kickstart. Look at the kickstart gear and the clutch, the primary. Look at the pipes in that sucker. All original. Look at this. It's got the seat. It's got the rack. Look at that fucking suspension right there, dude. Talk about hardtailing in the springs.
Rich heavy children be sold as slaves.
Ah! Oh, this is a cool shop right here.
Triangle motorcycle club.
And a Scout. Look at that. Look at the headlight. Look at the headlight from that one. Look, there's your leaf springs. Look at the grips. This one? Yeah, that's fucking awesome, man. A pair of these. Look at the chains. Look at this. They got them chained together inside. That's how valuable these fucking things are. Here, let's get it started at the front. The shop, Indian, CMCs, American motorcycle. Hell yeah! This is me, Brian. I got a big smile on my face this morning. First thing. Fuck yeah.